When you protect a workbook, you prevent changes to the workbook's structure and its windows. You can prevent people from changing the size or shape of the workbook window. With the structural protection, people will not be allowed to add, delete, hide, or move worksheets within the workbook. You can protect both the windows and structure in a workbook. You can also provide an optional password that is required to be entered before a workbook can be unprotected. As with any password, you should write it down and keep it in a secure area because if you forget the password, you will not be able to remove workbook protection. To apply workbook protection, click the Protect Workbook button that appears in the Changes button group on the Review tab within the ribbon. This will launch the Protect Workbook dialog box. Check the boxes for the objects that you want to protect. Then enter a password if desired. If you enter a password, you will need to re-enter it into the confirmation dialog box that appears, and then click the OK button. To remove workbook protection, click the Protect Workbook button within the Changes button group on the Review tab in the ribbon to remove workbook protection and toggle the feature off. Note that if there is an associated password, it will prompt you to enter it into the Unprotect Workbook dialog box and then click the OK button to unprotect the workbook.